What's the channel?
Renegade Racing. Yo, what's going on, guys? We came up with a cool thing that we're going to do to just kind of help people out, and we came up with the $100 challenge. So we've got 10 challenges that we've got set with $1,000. All right, for people to complete these challenges, they're going to win $100. Whatever you pick, you got to do it. And then if you do it, you get $100. God, I hope he has to shave his eyebrows, bro.
I don't care. They go back.
All right, you also got to agree to be on my YouTube channel.
I agree.
All right, bet. Don't look at it. Just pick. All right, that's it. Ooh, he's gonna eat some cat food. All right. Now I picked a good cat food for you. All right, so let's go, bro.
You ain't risking your life for stupid shit. You ain't living life.
That's right. Come on, let's go, bro.
Down it. Take it like a shot.
Is that good?
Woo! Hey, you got this, bro. Just eat it, man. Come on, man. You got it. All right, come on. You got it, bro. Just call. Hey, you know what? We gonna move to a different area, but you got it, bro. You won. We gonna give you the $100 anyways. You ain't gotta do that. Well, a bet's a bet, bro, and you are freaking awesome. $100 to you, my man. Shave your eyebrows.
All right, let's go.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, yeah, no. I need to call my sergeant real quick, see if that shit's in regs.
I mean, oh my God. Just shave one and tell him you burned it off.
You know, he would believe that. He would believe that. Yep.
Just shave one. I'm gonna shave in one eyebrow.
So that way I can stay somewhat in regulation.
Go the opposite direction.
Oh, yeah, we gotta get a good shave on that.
I don't know. I don't know if it's in regulation or not.
Hey, $100, bro.
No, you want to do the other one?
Yeah, fuck it. Let's send it.
Ah, let's send it. Let's go.
Hell yeah. This is gonna end up on YouTube, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Oh, fuck yeah. What's the channel?
Renegade Racing. There you go, bro.
Renegade Racing?
That's it. You put the
No,
glasses
take
on.
him out, man. How's he look?
You look even worse than you did.
That's not surprising. I didn't think that was possible.
Way to take it.
I'm ugly and I'm proud. I am ugly and I'm proud. I'm ugly and I'm proud.
All right. You got to pick one and hope you pick right.
Okay.
So you gotta eat the, all right, eat the dog food. All right, here we go. This is tough, girl.
How's it look?
Horrible.
Yes, look, she's a champ, bro. Yes. Woo! All right, everybody stand back. Get back, get back, get back, get back. Oh. Hey, just think that you're in the mountains and there's beautiful stars around you. You know what I mean? Crushing it, crushing it, crushing it, crushing it. Yeah, you're good. You're good. Yes. That $100, you deserve that and earn that. I'll throw this away for you. Hell yeah.
How was it?
High five. Throw it up, drink the soup again.
Oh.
All right. Snort a ramen noodle packet. All right. And put your hand in a mousetrap.
Oh, man, y'all got that, man.
Yeah, all you got to do is one and stick your hand in the mousetrap. But You still got to draw. Now, I tell you what, I will just let you do the Mousetrap challenge, all right? But it's going to be $60 instead of $100.
All right, so this. Click it.
Just grab it.
Don't look at it.
Push
Don't
down.
look at it.
Push.
It hurt. I don't
It
it
hurt.
hurt.
Oh, you gotta talk.
All right, we got some ramen noodles right here. This is. You sure you want to do this? You got balls, girl. You got balls, because this is a hard one. All right, you got to take that whole line. All right, ain't no half a line. All right, you got to take the whole line. All right, here we go. Here we go. Who is she getting it?
If that was crack, you'd never be seen.
Does it smell good?
No. Put it into, could she do like 3 little lines?
She can. All she's got to do is just get all that up her nose. That's
do
it.
3 little lines.
That's it.
Or let me scrape it out with my debit card.
How you feeling?
Burning a little bit.
It burns. You all right?
That should be enough. That was a lot.
All right. Oh, she got a little bit more. Come on, we got to finish the challenge. Everybody has finished the challenge. All right, that ain't much more. Just get it in the other nostril. Kill it. Yes. $100 challenge, man.
Which one?
Well, we kind of out, man.
We do eyebrows.
We got the eyebrows. We got the dough kiss challenge. We've almost done them all, and I'm almost out of money. So let me see what kind of money I got left. I got $150 left. Well, that's it. We've already gave out like $500.
I want to do it. You're the one who didn't want to do it.
Well, the Mousetrap's already done.
I'll do the dough.
We're gonna do the. Well, she was out here first.
That's true.
Like, I'm gonna give it for 5 seconds. All right, and then you can take a drink.
10 seconds for 150.
Ooh.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
10
seconds?
For 150?
You better wash out your mouth because after this I'm
No,
like
do like 7.5 seconds. Just like, if
But
it's
I
5
mean,
seconds for 100.
But he's up in the challenge. Though.
Okay,
He said-
okay, fine.
All right, where you at?
I'll still do it for 150.
For how many seconds?
12. Fuck it.
15.
Okay.
Oh,
I'll manage.
All right, but I only got 150.
13.
So who's it gonna be?
Me.
20 seconds.
It ain't worth that.
Fuck it.
21.
Damn, she said it ain't worth.
Go up by 1.
It's higher than
If you
20.
want to chase it with the Mountain Dew.
He's not gonna
I'm not
chase
chasing it.
it.
I
Oh,
am.
so no chaser.
No chaser.
Oh my
No
God.
chaser.
No chaser.
All right, let her do
30
it.
seconds.
Why are you doing this?
Damn, is this your girl right here?
Yeah.
Man, she threw you under the bus in 30 seconds. If you throw up and I'm still spraying, you're good. All right, but if I start spraying and you're like, oh, I can't do
A
this, and
whole
you take
20
off,
seconds?
whole 20
That's
seconds.
so long.
If you take off running, you're disqualified. You don't get nothing.
do it.
No.
We could have
I
been
mean, it
done.
would have been done right now.
We could have
Yeah.
been done by now.
But I wasn't throwing up right now.
I mean, look, you got 10 seconds to say yes or no, or we're moving on to him.
I'll say yes.
1,
No.
2, you're done? All right.
Hold on, hold on.
Seconds, $150.
You dropped it down to 20 for her.
30
About 30,
seconds.
30, yes. Your girl said 30 seconds. She was taking call. Look, she's giving $150. And she's giving thumbs up. She's the one that said 30 seconds. I didn't say 30 seconds. All right, here we go. Ooh. Dough in the rut, number 69. That's what we got going on.
Oh, 69. We gotta do it.
One.
Oh, no.
Oh, you got
Real right now.
Oh,
And you gotta swallow.
Swallow.
No chaser.
Dip it.
What?
Yeah.
That's two.
Where we at?
5 seconds. All right, all right.
And that's it.
That was the whole damn can.
He's got to swallow it.
Ooh. Ooh, that was a killer, bro.
He did it.
Look, there you go, bro.
He did it.
That is yours.
That's gross. How was it? Not as bad.
That was bad, bro. I gotta go wash my hand because that stinks. Ooh.
Was it worth it? No. Well, I got 150 to buy a soup. I'm good. What's getting me is the smell on my beard.
I know, it's terrible, isn't it?
Yeah.
God, it's terrible.
What'd you think?
You will be on there.
Smells horrible. Drinking it, not so bad. How was it?
Painful as fuck, but it was worth it.
It was worth it?
Yeah, it doesn't hurt as much anymore, actually. I've been able to deal with it just
Did it smell
fine.
good?
Fuck no.
So long, gay boys!